everybody, welcome to Yoga on the Beach. The beach is one of my favorite places. I love coming here so that I can really relax, really have fun, see the ocean, enjoy the sea air, and really smile and stretch and enjoy my yoga. How about you? I think everybody in the world right now wishes that they were at the beach. And unfortunately, for many of us, it's either autumn or really cold outside. And in some places in the world, like the southern hemisphere, for instance in Australia, where I do my filming, it's actually warming up nicely. Here it's warm, but in the northern hemisphere it's quite cold. Well, I thought to myself, I would love to invite everybody on the program to join me for a special episode of Yoga on the Beach. So come along, grab a friend or a lovey, and let's get started for our Yoga Beach adventure. My, it's hot on this beach. Must be that sun. It's lovely though, isn't it? And can you hear that music? It's one of my favorite. Do you know what I really love? I really love the ukulele. I'm even learning how to play one. But I got a very special friend of mine to play music for this episode at the studio, and he is wonderful with the ukulele. So we get to enjoy his music right now as we do our yoga. All right, bring your legs together like so. So what we're going to do, we're going to do a stretch with our hands up into the ceiling, up into the sky. Ceiling if you're indoors, the sky if we imagine we're here on the beach, and we're just going to bend a little bit backward and hold this pose. Count of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done! What kind of animals do you think live on the beach? Well, it really depends which part of the world you're in. I'm in Australia. I won't tell you which part, you'll have to guess. But in this episode of Yoga on the Beach, I think it's a crocodile. No, that's the last thing you want. You don't want a croc on the beach. Go, crocodile, go. Move along, move along. Move along, crocodile. We can't have crocodiles on our beach. Alright, now that you're standing up, let's do another pose. My favorite, the tree pose. Bring your leg up, like so. You can hold it with your arm, or you can just balance it against the other leg. We're going to start by opening our hands side to side, stretching them open like this. Let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, gently lower your leg down. Switch on to the other side. Lift this leg up. If you started with your right, you move on to your left. If you started with your left, you move on to your right. Now, as soon as you find your balance, as soon as you're ready, and I'm trying to find mine, lift your hands side to side, open them right up, and do another count of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Oh, look at this. On my beach, there's a beautiful bird. Do you know which bird this is? A bird on the beach. All right, let's continue to our next pose. One leg forward, one leg back. Arms stretched side to side. Lean so that your My right arm is going to be facing up to the sky. Lean down so that your fingers touch your toes and the other arm is extended up to the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Now we're up. We turn to face the other direction. One hand up to the sky, extended up to the sky. And the other hand goes down to the sandy ground. And we're going to look up, count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Circle those arms around just so that you fully stretch and so that your shoulders don't feel stiff at all. Well done. All right, let's come down to the ground. There's nothing like being in the sunshine, but even if you're not in the middle of the ocean right now, or just by the side of the ocean enjoying the lovely sea air, take time to relax today and just picture that you're in a wonderful place, somewhere that you really enjoy. Could be the beach like it is for me, or it could be, the forest for you, or somewhere where you feel really comfortable, calm, and very happy. So try that, and then I promise you, you'll feel really relaxed. It's important to imagine being in one of our favorite places because it does wonders. It makes you feel, happy inside. All right, let's continue with our yoga. Let's continue. Stretch your toes out in front of you and bring your arms up into the air. Now, with your little fingers, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle forward and stretch forward until you touch your toes. When you touch your toes, you'll feel a really good stretch along your back, through your legs, and all the way through your arms. As you stretch, lean as forward as you can and hold this stretch. You can even close your eyes for a minute and just listen to the lovely music as you stretch forward. That feels great. Thank you for stretching with me. All right, I'm gonna bring my hands up, rest them behind me, and I'm just going to put my chin up towards the sky. Rotate my shoulders back and stretch my upper back by looking all the way up above me. That is a good stretch for my shoulders, my neck, my chin. Let's keep going. Now, lift up one of your legs and cross over. Cross your leg over. You'll feel a stretch along your leg. Now, put your arm in front and one arm behind. And just do a gentle twist to look over your shoulder, just like so. Very good. Now let's do the other side. Cross your leg. Cross your leg over. Put your arm over your knee. Stretch this hand behind and do a gentle twist. Well done. Our next pose is called the butterfly. We're going to take our legs, side to side, feet side to side. Straighten your back as straight as you can. No curved back. Just imagine that there's like a string coming up from your head and helping you stretch up high. So stretch up, put your feet together and bring them as close as you can, and that way each one of your knees is going to try to come down towards the sand. Stretch it like this, and you can also stretch your chin by looking up. Well done. Now take your hands and put them out in front of you and do a gentle stretch forward, trying to lie down towards the floor. Good work. Good work. Excellent. All right. Now imagine that you're at the beach and you're sitting in a boat. And you have to row your boat as you're going to go out towards something that you see in the water. Maybe there's a bird floating in the water, so we're just going to row your boat forward and back. Forward towards your toes and back. You know that song? Let's sing it together. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is such a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. I think we probably can't do yoga next to a crocodile, but don't worry, this one's pretty friendly. In real life though, if you see a crocodile, you gotta run. Alright, let's get back up on our feet to do a few last poses together. Yoga on the beach, yoga on the beach. Oh, how I wish I could do yoga on the beach. Alright, for our next pose, we're going to do a lot of balancing. I'm going to ask you to lift your front leg forward as high as you can. Lift it forward and hold the pose and circle your toes round and round, round and round. One direction, then the other direction, and then put your leg down, lift your other leg up into the air, stand tall, try to balance, and go round and round with your toes, and in the other direction, and back around and around. Good work. Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for coming along for this yoga on the beach adventure. It's been wonderful to have you. I hope you've enjoyed the beautiful ukulele music. If you ever think about learning an instrument, the ukulele is a wonderful one to start with because it's such calm, beautiful, and happy music. I really recommend it. So, I'm looking forward to seeing you all again. It's almost the end of 2020 and our next episode is a holiday special. So be on the lookout for it in just a few weeks. But for now, I wish you a wonderful day. Take care, stay well, and stay safe. Bye for now. Bye.